Scene setup has one volume in this object and one grid object and one geometry default rubber toy, and one is torus geometry, which we use it as a light. So now we will go to the stage. I have imported all the scene using scene import all, and just I have created a camera, and I have applied materials using one emissive material for the torus and standard materials for the ground and rubber toy object, and one volume material, a karma volume, simple karma material. This is area light and this is the point light. I have increased the exposure to 5, and here also I increase the exposure to 5. In karma tab of the light, we are tagging the one of the point light as point and light 2 as area light. Just to create separate AOVs, we are giving this LP tags. In case of torus geometry, what we have to do, we have the torus geometry here, and how to tag this, we can create render geometry settings node. We have created LP tag, same. So we have to select the torus mesh here to change the property and tag it as a light. Now karma will treat this as a light. On top of that, what we have to do is we have to apply emissive material. So we take standard material and just increase the emission, and you can give it a color. So once we render this, karma is treating it as a light. You can see the difference, and we have this materials and we have this light, and this is area light. If you tag the lights using LP tag, we can create a beauty pass. For example, use a split for LP tag. Then what it does is it will create, I have to display this node. So if you see, the beauty pass is called C. So it has given one area light, one point light, this emission. So this emission is failing because it is not able to recognize light geometry as a light. Even though we have given the LP tag, it cannot find it. That's the reason it's failing. So in this case, what we have to do is we have to create this extra render variables, and we can give it a name. For example, I have already created here as an emissive name, and then set it to LP tag first, then it will get enabled. The format would be color 3F. You can use color 4, and you can reduce the precision by using other data types, but at least it should have vector or vector 4, vector 3 or vector 4. And yeah, then we have to write this expression. So I'm just making it bigger for you to watch. Yeah, so here we are using tag here, the torus light, to capture the light information. Using this L means light and emission, it will consider for lighting, and all the components, including diffuse, reflection, glossy, and all the components we are capturing into this AOV. Once you do this, if you check here in the emissive, so we are able to isolate light information from the torus object. This is the main light. This is with all the lights. This is with only emissive light. Yeah, that's it. Why we have to do all of this? Because the default beauty pass with split LP tag is not able to capture all the lights, especially the geo lights. That's why we are using extra render bars to capture light information using this expression. Thank you.